In this video, we are going to show you how to get 20% discount on your WinningHunter subscription. WinningHunter is an all-in-one e-commerce market intelligence and ad spy platform designed for dropshippers and online brands. If this is a tool or an app that you are looking for to integrate to your business or operation, click on the link that we have provided in the description below. It's going to bring us to this page right here. Now, you need to click on Start for Free to create a new account, and it's going to bring us to our dashboard. And you're like, the process is it's going to show you how to create pretty much what you need for this specific app. And once you do that, it's going to really drain it fast. So it's going to give you a limit, right? So once you reach a limit, you're going to see the plan pricing here. So you can go for basic, right? You can go for standard or premium, choose whichever one you want. And what you want to do next is, for example, we want to go with standard, right? So click on standard. It's going to bring us to your standard checkout page. And here on your left-hand side under subtotal, you can click on add promotion code to open it up and just type in extra 20, click apply. And as you can see, you get 20% off for your first 3 months. And just go through your typical checkout process and you should be good to go. By the way, we recently created a detailed tutorial on WinningHunter. So if you want to know how to use it effectively, you can watch the videos showing on your screen right now. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.